going on, everybody? Elite Motorsports here. Just got in this 2006 Dyna Street Bobby. Stick around to the end of the video for a startup. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Starting up front, chrome front end, chrome front axle nut covers. Got the Harley brake pedal, slotted brake arm, driver pegs, stage 1 kit, HD air cleaner, Python exhaust, Harley passenger pegs, Harley seat. Got a lot of upgrades, very clean bike. Also got the Harley Derby and timing cover. This bike only has 27,806 miles on it. Got the skull gas caps, chrome grips, mirrors, blacked out bars. Let's go and get a start up. Give us a call at 1-866-427-5398. Thank you.